Students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as Foreign Exchange Arithmetics. Let's continue with where we had left. Let's move ahead with swap points. Now, let's see how you would do calculation of forward rates through a forward schedule. Suppose if I have spot USD INR 1 month forward, 2 months forward, 3 months forward, and 6 months forward. Let's assume that the spot rate is 40.0625, 40.0675. 1 month forward swap points are 650, 700, 1275, 1325, 1875, 1925, 3650, 3700. Right? Let's also consider spot USD Swiss francs. Spot rate is 1.3625, 1.3635. 1 month forward swap points are 3525, 2 months forward is 6555, 3 months forward is 9080, and 6 months forward is 165, 155. Right? You have got to calculate question. Find forward rates for 1, 2, 3 and 6 months. Right? For USD INR and USD CHF. For USD INR and USD CHF. Besides that, they've also asked you to find out 1 month and 3 month forward for CHF INR. A part of the question. Second, find 1 month and 3 month forward for CHF INR. Right? Next part of the question, find 50-day forward, 50 days forward for USD INR, 70-day forward for USD CHF, 70-day forward for CHF INR. So these are the various things that they've asked you to find out. Right? Let's see this. How do we do this? Now, they've asked you to first find out forward rates for 1, 3 and 6 months for USD INR. Right? Now let's see this A part of the question. Spot USD INR is 40.0625, 40.0675. Right? Now, 1 month forward is 650, 700. Since it is an ascending order, that means it is a positive forward, it is premium, it is not discount. So since it is premium, you will say add 1 month premium. So 1 month premium is 650 and 700. Therefore, 1 month forward will be 5721, 5731, 40.1275, 40.1375. That's how you get 1 month forward, right? Next, similarly, I can now find out 2 months forward. How do I do that? Spot USD INR is 40.0625, 40.0675. Since the swap points are given to you in ascending order, that means it is premium, and 2 months premium. 2 months premium is 1275, 1325. Right, so 2 months forward is going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 41.1900 and 40 points. Sorry, that's 40.1900, 002, 40.2000, right? That's going to be my 2 months forward. Next, they've asked me to find out 3 months forward. Same method, spot USD INR is 40.0625, 40.0675 plus 3 months forward, 3 months premium. Why do I call it as premium? Because my swap points are in ascending order. If they are in ascending order, that means it is premium. So this is 1875, 1925, right? Therefore my 3 months forward five, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 15, 2, 40.2500, 0, 0, 10, 16, 2, 40.2600, right? 6 months forward, spot USD INR is 40.0625, 40.0675 plus 6 months forward, 6 months premium. This is going to be why is it premium? Because again here the swap points are in ascending order. So 6 months premium is 3650 and 3700. So in that case my 6 months forward is going to be 5, 7, 12, 4, 40.4275, 75, 3, 4, 40.4375. So that's how you find out forward rates for USD INR. Next, they've asked me to find out forward rates for USD CHF. Spot USD CHF is given to you as 1.3625, 1.3635. Right? Now, if you look at the forward premium here, the swap points here are in descending order. If they are in descending order, that means it is discount. So you will say less 1 month discount. 1 month discount is 35. and 25. So subtract this, that will give you 1 month forward. Subtract. So this becomes 5, this becomes 12. So 9, 5, 3, 1.3590, and this is 0.1631, 1.3610. So that is going to be my 1 month forward. Next, spot USD CHF is 1.36, 1.3625, 1.3635. Since the swap points are in descending order, 65, 55, they are in descending order, that means it is discount. So less 2 months discount. 2 months discount is 65 and 55. So in that case I will get 2 months forward rate 0.6531, 0.8531. So it will be 1.3560, 1.3580. That is going to be my 2 months forward. Next, spot USD CHF is 1.3625, 1.3635. For 3 months again your swap points are in descending order. Descending order, that means it is discount. So this is 3 months discount. 3 months discount is 90 and 80. So my 3 months forward is going to be 53531, 55531, 1.3535 and 1.3555. That's my 3 month forward. Last, spot USD CHF is 1.3625, 1.3635. 6 months. Now again here swap points are in descending order. Descending order means discount. So you will say less 6 months discount. 6 months discount is 165 and 155. Right? So you will get 6 months forward rate 0.643, 0.843. So it is going to be 1.3460, 1.3480. So that's how you get your forward rates for 1, 2, 3 and 6 months. Next part of the question. That was the A part of the question. Let's see B part of the question. B part of the question. They said that find 1 and 3 month forward rate for CHF INR. I want CHF INR. Right? That means I want CHF in the numerator. I want INR in the denominator. Right? Bid, bid, bid. So CHF INR, now the vernacular currency that is given to you is USD. Right? So CHF INR will be CHF USD into USD INR. CHF USD. Now I want, what am I searching for? I am searching for 1 month forward. One month forward, CHF USD is not given to you, they have given you USD CHF. So first convert the direct quote into indirect quote. So this will be 1 upon USD CHF ask into USD INR is given to you. So USD INR bid. Now 1 month forward USD CHF. USD CHF 1 month forward, ask, we found out is 1.3610. 1 month forward USD CHF ask is 1.3610. So 1 upon 1.3610, and USD INR bid 1 month forward, USD INR bid 1 month forward is 40.1275. When you solve this, you should get this answer as 29.4838. 29.4838. This is bid. Now I need to find out ask also. So CHF INR ask. I need CHF in the numerator. I need INR in the denominator. USD is my vehicular currency. Ask, right? CHF USD is not given to you. So convert direct quote to indirect quote by reciprocating. So this is USD CHF bid into USD INR ask, right? USD CHF bid 1 month forward. 1 month forward bid is 1.3590. 1.3590. USD INR ask. USD INR ask 1 month forward is 40.1375. Right? So when you solve this, this should come to 29.5346. 29.5346. Therefore, CHF INR 1 month forward is going to be equal to 29.4838. 29.5346. That's how I got 1 month forward. Next, they've also asked me to find out 3 month forward. Now I've already found out 1 month forward. Same method, same logic you have to use and find out 3 month forward. I'll leave the 3 month forward for you all to solve on your own. Let's move on ahead. Let's see the C part of the question. They've asked you to find out 50 days forward. Now, people, we have a problem here. 50-day forward, they've given me the forward rates for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months and 6 months. They haven't given me for odd number of days, right? So now how do I find this out? I already know 1 month forward, 50 days is nothing but 1 month plus 20 days, right? So first of all, I know 1 month forward, I need to find out the swap points for 20 days, right? Let's find out 50 days forward. For USD INR, right? I already have 1 month forward. 50 days is nothing but 30 days plus 20 days. I already know the forward for 30 days. That means I need to know the forward for another 20 days, right? So I need to calculate the proportional forward margin for how many days? 20 days, right? 1 month forward for USD INR is 40.1275, 40.1375. Okay, and 1 month swap points are given to you as 650 and 700, right? In that case, how do I get my proportional margin? My proportional forward margin is given by the formula forward margin of the final period minus forward margin of the initial period upon second standard maturity minus first standard maturity into required days. That's the formula for proportional forward margin. Now let's see how do I do this. I need forward margin for second forward margin. Now see, 50 days is between 1 month and 2 months. 50 days is between 1 month and 2 months. Now my 2 months swap points are given to you as 1275 and 1325, right? First let's calculate for bid, right? Second forward margin, for 60 days it is 1275, for 30 days it is 650, right? Divided by second forward margin is of 60 days, first forward margin is of 30 days, and I want to find out for 20 days, right? So when you solve this, this will come to 416.67, which is approximately equal to 470. So my swap points is going to be 470. Now once you find out for bid, there's no need for you to find out for ask. So in that case I can say 1 month forward is 40.1275, 40.1375 plus proportional forward margin for 20 days. Why plus? Because my forward margin, both 1 month and 2 months, both of them are at premium, and that is the reason why I'm adding, is 417, 417. Same number you add for bid and ask. Therefore, my 50 days forward margin or 50 days forward rate 7, 12, 7, 8, 9, 6, 1, 40.1692, 7, 9, 7, 1, 40.1792. So 50-day forward rate will be 40.1692, 40.1792. I'll show you this with one more example, guys. They've asked me to find out 70 days forward for USD CHF. 70 days forward for USD CHF. Now 70 days is between 60 days and 90 days. Okay, so that means I want 70 days forward of USD CHF, right? So first thing I need to find out, the closest previous date is 60 days. So first thing I need to find out is 60 days forward rate. 60 days forward rate is 2 months forward rate for USD CHF. For USD CHF, 60 days forward rate we have already calculated as 1.3560, 1.3580. 1.3560, 1.3580, right? I want 70 days. 70 days is between 60 days and 90 days, right? 60 days swap points, that is your 2 month swap points are 65, 55. 90 days swap points, that's 3 months swap points, are 90 and 80. So first thing I need to do is I need to find out proportional forward margin. Now I already have for 60 days, that means I need required days. I have my swap points for 60 days, I want for 70 days. After 60, how many more days I need? I need 10 more days, right? So required days is 10 days. So my proportional forward margin is forward margin of second period minus forward margin of first period, standard maturity of second period, standard maturity of first period into required days. Forward margin of second period, that is 90 days, is 90 minus forward margin of first period is 65. Maturity of second period is 90 days minus maturity of first period is 60 days into 10, right? When you solve this, you will get this as 8.33, which is approximately equal to 8, right? So in that case, I'll say that my 60 days forward 60 days forward was 1.3560, 1.3580. I want 70 days forward. That means I need to put another 10 days there. Now since my 60 days forward and 90 days forward both are at discount, that means my 70 days swap point will also be discount. So minus 10 days forward, 10 days forward discount, which you have found out as 8. You will put the same for bid and ask. So my 70 days forward is going to be 1.3552, 1.3572. That's how you get 70 days forward, right? Same way you could find out your 70 days forward for CHF INR, right? Do we get this in clear? You can find that out on your own. I'm not solving that. You should be able to see this and find this. Find the 70 days forward for CHF INR, right? We'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.